Good morning to one and all present here. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvighna Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Today I am standing before you to give a brief speech on Republic Day. Brief history. The significance of this day is that a pledge was taken on 26th January 1930 on the bank of river Ravi to attain Swaraj was fulfilled on this day in the year 1950. India became a sovereign democratic republic. On this day, all government offices, factories, and other institutions remain closed. Celebration in Delhi. This day is celebrated throughout the country. People assemble at one place and offer salute to the national flag. In Delhi, people from different places come to witness the Republic Day celebration at India Gate. Pipelines are fixed on both sides of the route from where the procession passes. The entire route is decorated with national flags. A good sitting arrangement is made for the people to witness the parade. Arrangement for VIPs and foreign dignitaries is made separately. There is also a very strict and tight security arrangement. First of all, Prime Minister salutes the martyrs and unknown soldiers at Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate. After that, the president comes to the saluting base, escorted by his bodyguards mounted on horses. He is welcomed by Prime Minister, Defense Minister, and Chief Ministers of the three wings of the armed forces land, navy, and air. After this, he presents gallantry awards to the military and police personnel for their bravery. After that, a grand parade starts from Vinayak Chowk, continues from three wings of army, NCC cadets, paramilitary forces, artilleries, tanks, radars, anti-aircraft guns make part of the parade. The bands of the three services play sweet tunes. The school children also take part in the parade. Tableaux from different states and union territories depict the cultural tradition and progress of their regions. Air Force bombers and fighters present their fly past. It is very exciting to see the planes dipping down and then in a fraction of a second rising up in the sky. All the government buildings are richly illuminated, fireworks are displayed, folk dances are arranged. This historical day is commemorated in a gala way. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.